Hello. I decided to come outside today. Sometimes I get tired of being in the house all the time, so I came outside today. I can hear so many things outside that you don't hear inside. Like, listen. Can you hear somebody is mowing their yard? And, I smell the grass in the air. That always makes me think of summertime. And look right here. Look what I found. Right there. See that pretty tulip? Oh, it smells good. There's so many things to see and hear outside. Oh, did you see that? A bumblebee just flew by. Bzz, 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 bzz. And if I'm real quiet, I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. There's a birdie in that tree over there. There's maybe some clouds. Yeah, there's a few clouds in the sky. It's just nice to be outside and enjoy how beautiful and peaceful and nice it is. Maybe today, if you get tired of being inside, just go outside for a little while. You don't have to go any place. It's just nice to sit right by the front door and enjoy how beautiful it is outside. Hope you have a happy day. Bye. This is nice.